YouTube.
Hello, I was
You keep saying that.
Hello, YouTube. Today we're back at the Goodwill bins, also known as Goodwill Outlet, Goodwill Clearance Center. This is essentially the last stop for a lot of your Goodwill donations before they make it to the dumpster. So there's gonna be a lot of junk here today, but hopefully there'll be a lot of good stuff remaining as well. Everything in this Goodwill is sold by the weight, so you walk in here and you go through all these different bins and boxes looking for whatever you want, and then at the end you roll your cart up on a scale and they charge you based on what your cart weighs.
Bunch of ice and stuff. It's kind of heavy, but
Junie and Burke. Don't think this is. I don't think it's real because real leather shouldn't be peeling like that. It does have the serial number thing in there, but I'm gonna pass them. Makita, that's kind of cool. Yes. Oh, look at there. Clarinet. No, it's an oboe. Oh, the oboe? It's super old. Very old. Looking at this bin, I found a ton of dog toys. Like some of them are actually like new with tags. I mean, I don't know, probably like 10 or so. Little gingerbread puppuccino. So I keep looking at here. Obviously, these are not going to be for resale. We'll just give them to those, but it's still nice because if we go to like TJ Maxx or something to buy toys, which is what we usually do, they can be like, you know, $5 or $6 a piece. I found all these belts right here in a big pile. I looked through most of these. I didn't really see anything of any great. That's like the limited, I think. This one right here, however, is new with tags from Torrid. $22, not a ton of money, but new with tags. It's in pretty good shape. On this South Carolina hoodie, I thought it was Champion for a second. It just kind of feels like thick, like a Champion, but it's on a Majestic tag, but it is made in Canada. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if it's vintage or just happens to be made in Canada. No stains, no holes. I'll grab it. Yeah.
I found this polo.
Oh wow.
It's
Polo
disgusting.
This looks like it's got like maybe mildew or something on it. But
yeah.
That's definitely worth trying to clean.
I found this. This is probably the coolest, but it's beat.
Beat?
It's beat.
See that old Disney tag though.
Yeah. Made in USA.
Velvet sheen. That's super cool. See something pretty interesting back here. It's a monkey? Pepsi? Pepsi monkey? This looks old. 1996 Pepsi. I'll grab that. What you got? Patagonia Chinchilla.
There's a patch on the sleeve for
The Conservation Alliance Co-op Patagonia.
But it's Patagonia.
That's cool. That probably increases the value.
Just sitting there.
That's crazy.
You guys should get this. It's a Beanie Baby, but it's Marvel Black Panther.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Little stuff like that, even if it's not worth anything, we could just give it away on whatnot.
And I found a dog toy.
I found like 10 dog toys. Like actual dog toys.
It's from Lowe's.
Yeah.
Friends helping friends.
What's that for?
Send it. Friends, just friends helping.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you? You put your stuff in there. That's, I think it's, you might have a couple electronics. You can just bring it up regular. And this is all plush. That's very nice of him.
Yeah, I know.
$52.03.
There's 10. And I'll do the rest on card. That is exactly the same amount of money we spent last time. $52.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
Shout out Dion for the 10.
Shout out Dion for the $10. Thanks, man. Haley wants to go into the retail side here. I want to show you the glass case selection up here. Oh, it's so funny. Goodwill's. It's always funny when Goodwill learns new brands. We got Hey Dudes for $34.94 and Chacos for $32.94. Mind you, we couldn't get that much for these shoes on eBay. So Goodwill, I wish you the best of luck. I was walking around here to the back and I saw this. Usually I pass on vintage golf bags. Like they do sell, it just kind of takes a while unless they're like really good brands. But this one is in fantastic condition. They want $19.94 for it, which is a little expensive, but it's a Titleist made in USA. I mean, this is pretty sick. It's got some paper in there. So somebody took really good care of it. If they ever used it at all, it might not have ever even been used. I think I'll go ahead and grab this. I bet we could get, I don't know, 80 to 100 bucks for it. Something like that. It doesn't have any embroideries or anything like that. This thing is mint condition. In the clothing section, I found this polo Ralph Lauren 100% Pima cotton men's sweater vest. No stains on the front, and then I flipped around to the back and I saw that it is still new with tags, retail $79.50. This will be $4.75. I think we'll probably get like 25, maybe 30 bucks for it. I'm gonna have to wait until like fall when people are actually shopping for this, but Pima cotton is really good as it is. New with tags, Pima cotton is a killer. What'd you get?
I got a pair of True Religion, but they're women's jeans. They're pretty small.
Oh yeah. Made in USA. That's cool.
And then this is a find. This is a bolo, I guess.
Bolo.
This is called Holderness and Born. It's a golf pullover type thing.
Okay.
There's only one listed and 2 sold of like this quarter zip jackets.
Yeah.
It's like a really nice material, and I could probably get 40 bucks plus shipping for it.
Wow. It's awesome. It just does feel really nice.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Okay, 4707. Would you like to round it up?
Sure. 38 bucks.
38.
Yep.
Josh, I thought that bag looked like you as soon as I saw it sitting over there.
Yeah, I don't think it's ever been used.
Looks good.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Y'all have a great day.
You too. So the Goodwill bins today was pretty good. We spent the same amount of money as we did last time, like we went 2 weeks ago, but I don't think we got as good of items. Definitely not as many
I don't
plush.
think so.
I will say, however, that I've been following this guy on YouTube named Ryan Trahan.
Iced coffee, one caramel, one vanilla.
Yes, ma'am.
$3.90.
Okay, there you go.
Josh has been watching Ryan Trahan's, what is it? I drove across the country with a penny.
Surviving on a
And-
penny for 30 days.
Okay, so now he is like obsessed with it. And Ryan, almost every episode has McDonald's for breakfast with an iced coffee and Chipotle for dinner. It's just a thing.
Yep.
And so now Josh is like, I really want to try iced coffee.
I've never had an iced coffee before. Also, I haven't been to McDonald's in like 3 years.
So Josh is also a very like influenced
Good.
person though. Like the whole like influencer culture. If Josh likes somebody,
I was literally...
he's influenced by what they do and say.
I'm so influenced. I was like, I've never had an iced coffee before, but Ryan
Can I have you
Trahan...
pull up to our window for your drinks, please?
Okay, thank you. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing because there's 3 windows here. But I was like, if Ryan Trahan likes iced coffee, maybe I will like iced coffee.
Oh my goodness.
It's a really good series, though. If you like my series that I did like 2 years ago, like trying to make $1,000 in 30 days, you will love Ryan's series he's doing. He's started with a penny. He has to get all of his food, his like where he sleeps at night, everything for 30 days, going from California to North Carolina to deliver a penny to Mr. Beast. It's like a daily vlog series, so there's 30 videos in the series, and we've really been, even Haley enjoys them as well. So check them out. I'll link Ryan's channel down below. It's also a fundraiser. He's raising a bunch of money for Feeding America.
I think Josh associates iced coffee with cold coffee, and it's not cold coffee, Josh. It's iced. It's different. There.
Thank you.
And the stickers are on which one it is.
Okay,
Thank
perfect.
you.
Awesome. Have a great day.
Okay, this one's mine.
This one's mine. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous.
Do you feel like Ryan Trahan now?
I do. It's interesting. Yeah.
But I
it's
wouldn't
not-
say this is the best iced coffee I've ever had.
No,
Like,
this is the best and worst iced coffee I've ever
That's
had.
true.
It is kind of nice. It's like coffee, but opposite. Haley and I were stopped at a red light earlier, and there was this cop next to us, and the cop flipped his lights on, and I looked, and
We're
he
like-
said, "Roll your window down."
We're like,
And I was like, "Oh my God, what do we do?" And I looked, I didn't recognize him at first, but it was my friend Josh. He was actually in one of our older YouTube videos. It was like a video where we went to go play golf, and I like did like a what sold while we were playing golf. The video didn't do that well, and it was like 2 years ago, but that was him. He works for a different department now. He's in our county. And I was really nervous. I thought we were gonna go to jail for something. But he just wanted to say hello. He saw the Hairytornado sticker on the back of our car. So shout out, Josh. Appreciate your service, man. We're gonna go through all of the stuff we got at the bins today. Mose is doing his inspection.
This
Kind of
was
crazy.
probably my greatest find.
How to go
How to
new
go new
chinchilla. What size is it?
With the snaps.
So that's large
It
too.
is, yes. Size.
Can I keep? It's my size. Now you know how I feel when I find nice stuff and you want to keep it.
Okay, I found this. I don't know what this is.
Hog Wild in Montreal, Canada. Pretty cool graphic, and
Yeah.
it's made in Canada.
Yes.
One size fits all, so you know that's pretty old. Kind of interesting.
I did find this Lily baby carrier thing.
You looked up comps on that?
Yes.
Okay. I've never heard of that. Lily. What do you say it's worth? Like 30 bucks?
I saw one pre-owned for $30.
Okay.
We'll see. I figured it wasn't that much of an investment since it was from the bins.
Yeah, it's probably like $3 or something.
Found a couple hats. That's the best one. Needs some serious cleaning.
If we can get this thing clean, that's a really nice one.
We got American flag, and we have a Seagram's thing.
Mm-hmm.
I got an Under Armour thing, which I don't usually pick up Under Armour, but it's like nice and like
Yeah.
the material's nice.
Yeah, it's a thick one too.
Picked up this like kids North Face. Picked up this Carolina pullover. This jersey. This is a Columbia rain jacket,
Oh, that's like the one I
but
have.
it's size extra large.
Oh, yeah, 2XL.
2XL. A lot of these are just kind of bread and butter. I found a couple like golf polo type shirts.
Mm-hmm.
This one's Peter Millar.
Oh, nice.
Got a Ralph Lauren. Got another Peter Millar. I think this one's Peter Millar. Yeah, another Peter Millar. This is Masters.
Oh, nice. Augusta National. Yeah.
Masters
It's
shirt.
easy $20 right there.
And then this is a Harry Potter jacket, which I didn't look up condition, so hopefully it's a medium.
It's like a little Letterman's jacket or something.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And then probably the coolest find, but it's beat, like I said, but the
A vintage
Made in
Disney
USA.
tee. It's not dated, but that's super cool. I got this Makita hat. I got this. I got a couple clothing items that we could just throw up on Whatnot. I got this denim skirt. We the Free. Never
yeah.
heard of this brand,
that
but I
is
feel
a
like
Free People brand.
Free People.
Yes.
Oh wow, look at there. Got the Carolina hoodie. I already showed you guys earlier. Got the oboe. I have no idea if it works. The brand is at least this one says Selmer, USA Selmer. I'm sure it's worth something. Like even like the cheapest oboes in the world are probably worth like $50 or so. So I'll need to do some more research, make sure it's functional. But I wasn't gonna leave it in the bins for them to throw out. I got this big scarf thing, Newwood tags. Got another Torrid Newwood tags belt. Got a Deadpool Christmas sweater. I got 2 iPads. That'll be the title of today's video. We found 2 iPads at the bins. And this big box of
Dyson stuff?
Dyson stuff. So looks like we got 2 heads. These heads can be worth, I don't know, 50 or 60 bucks a piece. This one looks smaller, maybe less than that, but that big one should be pretty good. And this box has a bunch of junk in it. Some sort of accessory. Dyson Dissolve something. Pretty sure all this stuff is new. Dyson Zorb. Some other brush. This all looks brand new. It looks
Yeah.
like it's never been used before.
Well, in the box. So
Yeah.
probably.
So I don't know. This is kind of heavy. This is probably like $5 for everything, but let's look at this Zorb stuff. I'm sure this isn't cheap. Let's see, there's 126 listed and 103 sold. So not bad.
Wow, yeah.
The solds are a little bit less. Like $10, $10 to $15 plus shipping. But not bad, because we paid like $5 for everything. So we'll double our money on that. That's probably worth a little bit. All the accessories, all the heads. I guess we should go ahead and call it a day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed our bins trip today, definitely let us know by dropping a comment on this video down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below as well. Mose, anything else to add?
Nothing.
Nope,
Okay.
nothing. Okay, great. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best. We'll catch you on the next one.